All right, guys, if you're building a cage in these C6 Corvettes, apparently like on this passenger side, like what do they like to do, Dan?
Well,
they like to do what? Apparently they like to catch on fire when you're welding the cage in. So just be like really, really careful when you guys do that.
There may have been a fire inside your car at one time. But I mean, I blew it out.
All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to next video. Today we're gonna be going over my cage. Today is, we got Austin Burner over here helping us. Guys. What's today, like the January 27th or something like that? Our first drift event's February 15th. And this thing is nowhere near complete. We got Fortune Auto Coilovers to install, the FDF Angle kit. We still have a Hydro to do. So we're gonna be releasing a ton of videos, kind of getting this thing ready. This tie rod in the rear is broken. Pretty normal, right? Four-wheel steering. But I'll show you guys the cage quickly. So it's full FD spec. I will drop Dan Moore's Instagram in the comments. Super rad. Hit him up on Instagram if you want a cage done. I did want to keep full interior and he did an amazing job. Like if you look at that door, that is so close. Another thing, if you guys are building a C6 and you plan to do FD spec, so these things basically are exo frames, and like if you're familiar with like 240s or something like that, you have to put in a intrusion bar. Because this is a Corvette though, and there's no possible way for a wheel to go inside the car to like keep the driver safe in the case of a collision like that. So per FD rule book, you have to make these plates. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but you have to weld them to the frame. Pretty simple design. It's just extra security to kind of help reinforce the chassis and make sure everything's good to go. Oh, look at that fitment, that's close. Like I said, this is gonna be the fanciest drift car I've ever owned by far. But anyway, we're gonna start installing some parts, paint this cage, and we'll keep you guys updated this week. All right, guys, so like I said, this thing came straight from insurance auction. If you watched my prior videos, it was really funny because I contacted the prior owner about some parts, and the first thing I did was show him this car completely stripped like this, and he's like, "What are you doing to my car?" I was like, "Bro, we're building a roll cage." Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you clean that metal.
I can't stand here while you make those noises.
Stop, bro. You're making it weird. All right, guys, we got it all prepped-ish. This is what we're spraying it with. Hopefully it works all right. We just got like 2 cans. And we got Austin over here. He's gonna paint like the driver's side because he's the MVP.
I'm gonna ruin his cage, for sure.
Dude, stop.
100%.
It's so pretty.
I'm gonna get runs everywhere.
All right, so we just realized, like, I was about to paint the passenger side when I prepped the driver's side. Oh, he prepped the passenger side, so get over there, dude. We gotta switch sides. Because my prep is A1. Make sure you to clean those welds really good.
Mine's just amazing, so.
All right, we'll see.
Oh, dude, that comes out fast.
Get it.
Come on, man. It looks like it's about to run. I can't, dude. I can't. Hold on. I'm about to wipe this off.
Wow, look at that prep.
It ran.
Look at that prep. We'll go see how my side does.
All right. Whoa, man. Where's the paper?
Bro, we don't need no paper.
You're gonna get overspray all over your vet.
It's fine.
Yeah, that side's looking pretty good.
Well, look at that prep work. Dang.
Nah, I just didn't have the technique
body
down.
work.
Yeah, that looks
That
good.
looks pretty solid.
A few coats for sure.
All right, we're not too worried about overspray, but we did get in a little bit of a hurry. Most of this car is gonna be interior, but I was getting overspray on the wheel. So we got these beautiful things. If you guys haven't been to the Midwest and you do come through, you gotta check out Quick Trip. Quick Trip's awesome. So we're gonna cover up the steering wheel and everything with these. All right, so another thing, Dan Moore did this cage. He also did Austin's cage. Check out his channel. He's got a pretty cool video. Dan begged me to paint this cage black. And as you can tell, we're not going black. And he's coming to hang out with the shop. We're gonna install the angle kit and coilovers. So
Wait.
He's gonna roll up any minute now, and we're gonna be painting this thing silver, and he's gonna be so angry.
Not only is it a different color than what he wanted, we did a horrible job prepping, to be honest. Like we kind of just wiped it down and are sending it.
He begged me to take sandpaper to all these like little tiny burrs. Didn't do it. It'll pass tech. It'll be a fun ripper. All right, so we've kind of voted that you should probably just pay somebody to paint your cage. Like this is annoying.
Like I did.
Yeah. Yeah, we're getting overspray everywhere. We're doing an okay job. We probably could have masked it off a lot better, but yeah, it is difficult to paint everything in here. Like very, very difficult. And the paint's running a little bit still over here. What you got to say about that, Austin?
I don't know, man. It's just not going as I thought it would go.
It's difficult. All right, guys, little update. We kind of have most of our base coat down. The trick to painting a cage is just like start spraying. Like there's a little bit of overspray, but honestly, nobody's ever gonna know besides me and Austin unless you like really start looking in here. We're still waiting on Dan. He's got the only key I have to pop this hatch. So we're gonna have to wait for him to get here to do that. But for 2 idiots, can of spray paint, 2 pieces of paper, I'd say we aren't doing too bad of a job.
Wow, pretty good.
But like these areas are super difficult to get, especially like because all that's black, so you instantly see any overspray. So we're just kind of sticking the paper behind there. Like in here is really difficult too, but we're kind of just sticking the paper behind there and spraying. And we gotta get some masking tape as well for the bottom, because we're gonna do the base plates black. What are you doing over there, Austin?
Oh, just clean up your overspray.
Oh, look at all that overspray on your side, dude.
Well, you were over
Look
here.
at
you
that.
remember?
Mine's pristine. Look at that. I taped it off all nice. He chose to go the other route and not tape it off.
Take it off.
So if you guys are at events this year, let us know which side of the cage it looks better. What's up, Dan? Hey, where are you at, buddy?
I just got done.
Nice. Well, hey, dude, I was just gonna let you know this black cage is looking awesome, bro.
Did you already paint it?
Yeah, we're painting it right now, dude. This black looks incredible.
Ah, dude, I was gonna bring my grinder out and clean stuff up on it.
Oh, yeah, we cleaned all that up.
Did you clean like all the little burrs off and stuff?
Yeah, we cleaned all that up.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it looks,
no, I was like,
it looks solid, bro. You did a really good job on the cage. I really appreciate it.
yeah, dude, no problem, man.
Sweet.
Like,
Well, how far out are you?
Well, I gotta go. I'm in North Olathe right now.
Okay, well, my
I gotta go.
phone might die, but
Well, dude, I'm going home. I'm gonna grab your parts, and then Colton's beat me there, and we'll head over.
sweet. All right, well, I was just giving you a little update on the cage. We'll see you soon.
You cheeky man. Yeah, that looks good. Good call, actually, bud.
Do you like the cover?
Yeah. No, that looks better.
Did we-
It works really well.
Did we prep it pretty good?
I don't know, man. Yeah, well, you'll find out once actually dries. It's warm in here, which that's good. No, you didn't do that good of a job right there. It's falling all kinds off.
You like how much sanding we did on the burrs?
On what?
On the burrs?
You Why don't you let me build something nice, please?
It is nice,
I
Dan.
know, but I want to
Look at it. Look how
I
beautiful
want
it
all the little
is.
dingleberries off, and I want the
Dan Moore up on Instagram. Flake his life for a cage. He does awesome work. All right, Dan. What did we forget? You know, we need a key to pop this hatch open. Bro, let me get the keys real quick. Yeah, let me get the keys you brought, Dan.
I got them. That's definitely them.
Wow. I guess we're drifting to Harley Davidson this year.
That goes. Those are the vet keys. Yeah.
We're all counting on you, dude.
I forgot the keys.
We got Colton here now.
He's disappointed.
We gotta paint the rest of this cage. Look at it, it's so beautiful in there. We just need a key to unlock it.
My God.
All right, the MVP crawled back here. He got it somehow. All right, guys, if you're building a cage in these C6 Corvettes, apparently like on this passenger side, like what do they like to do, Dan?
Well,
They like to do what? Apparently they like to catch on fire when you're welding the cage in. So just be like really, really careful when you guys do that. Apparently it's nothing major, not like a fuel line or anything like that because his shop's not burned down, but
There may have been a fire inside your car at one time. But I mean, I blew it out. Like,
Yeah, so it's fine. Just make sure to be careful when you're welding that corner in right there, passenger side. What's going on, guys? So we have finished painting the cage and everything like that. Now it turned out really awesome. What's up, guys? So we have finished the cage. The silver turned out super awesome. Don't mind my overspray everywhere. It turned out super awesome. I was also gonna show you those kind of plates in there, if you can see that well. That's an intrusion bar on a C6 Corvette. Watch our next episodes. We gotta finish reinstalling this knuckle. I actually found this bolt down here was bent, so that kind of put a stall on this project. I've got to get one of these ordered in. But we're gonna be finishing installing the coilovers. We're gonna do the angle kit. We still have the hydro to install, and then I am gonna put all the interior back in this thing. We have like 2 weeks to be in Texas running, so we're gonna try to build this car in 2 weeks. I think we can do it.